develop skills, secure employment, and overall quality of life. One such opportunity lies is in livelihood training programs of TESDA along with the partnership of St. Louis de Marilac College of Sorsogon, offering a gateway for personal growth and economic stability. Today, we are gathered not just to complete this training, but rather to celebrate the efforts and hard works of our dear trainers and students in dedication to attain learning and succeeding the course of Cookery and Computer System Servicing NC2. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the culminating activity of Cookery and Computer System Servicing NC2 with a theme, SLCS continuously progress towards development with TESDA. To formally begin this program, may I request everyone to please stand for the singing of the national anthem.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang ng Pilipinas.
Lord, we ask you to bless all the people behind all the success of everyone who made it here today. This day won't be possible, and we won't reach this far without their support and efforts. Thank you for using them as your instrument to unlock the doors for those who dream, to unclog the minds of those who were feeling stagnant, to replenish and refresh the skill set that we have.
First of all, let us thank and acknowledge the presence of our very own guest, SLMCS President, Center Manager Sister Maria Felipa Fe Sehaven, Daughters of Charity, together with our beloved trainer from Cookery NC2, Mrs. Jesus Albangate, and from Computer System Servicing NC2, Mr. Edward Belisano. Let's give them a round of applause. Our next guest she is the Dean of the School and Graduate and Professional Education, and now she is the Vice President for Academics, Research, and Christian Vincentian Formation, Dr. Belen L. Domigiano. Please give her a round of applause. And our third guest, she is the alternate Center Manager, Miss Maria Marlene Malate. And to give an appetite on this event, it is my pleasure to call our tireless and diligent Cookery NC2 trainer, Ma'am Susan L. Bangade, to give her opening remarks.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Sister Fe, our school president and the center manager of TESDA, Dr. Belen Domigiano, our VP4R, my co-trainer, Mr. Edward Belisano, sayang wala si Mamading Malati, our alternate center manager. Our dear trainees and trainees for Cookery and trainees for the CSS, welcome to this culminating activity. That we gather here to celebrate the culmination of the TESDA training for the two qualifications, namely Cookery NC2 and CSS NC2. This day marks the culmination of several days of hard work, dedication, and collaboration. As we reflect on our journey, let us celebrate the achievements, growth, and memories that we brought us to this moment. But let us remember that this doesn't end here. Let's continue praying and hope for the good result of the most awaited part of this journey, which is your assessment day. Last night, I dreamed na nanaginip po ako na pumunta daw ako ng Boracay.
Wow!
Tapos nung sa Boracay, sa isang 5-star hotel, nakita ko si Chick. Siya pala doon ang chef. Wow! Tapos paglilibot-libot ko, marami ako nakita na Si Ella, nakita ko rin doon. Isa na siya doon sa mga receptionist ng isang 5-star hotel din. Wow. Then, as bumalik na ako ng Manila, pumunta din ako sa isang hotel. May nakita ako doon na computer technician. Sabi ko, parang estudyante ito ni Sir Edward. So nakilala ko doon. Totoo nga. Kasi sa mukha ko lang, nakikita sila pero sa pangalan. Pero kinonfirm ko, totoo nga, isa siya sa mga trainees ni Sir Edward. So, tuloy-tuloy ang panaginip ko. Pumunta daw ako ng Paris, France. Wow! So, tapos naman sa pagsakay ko ng barko, nakita ko doon si Jericho. Siya parang dito lang po. Siya po, nasa house. So, wow, sabi ko, nandun na si Jericho. Then, sa paglibot-libot ko naman sa ibang part ng barko, nakita ko naman doon si Anna May. Wow! Wow, nandun na sila. Sabi ko, saya-saya. Ito pala, ito yung pinaka-dream ko po sa inyo, ha? Sabi ko, someday sana, makikita ko kayo doon sa mga 5-star hotel, na mga successful chef na, sa mga kung saan-saan dyan na nandun kayo na-employ. So ito na lang naman yung pinaka-aim ng TESDA in partnership with the SLMCS. So makita kayong nakalandang job, nakaland ng magandang trabaho, at saka meron kayong magandang future. So, isa ito sa mga dream namin, hindi ko lang. Lahat ko, ang TESDA, ang school, ay dream ko ito.
Our SLMCS President, Center Manager who gives inspiration to many, Sister Maria Felipa P. C. Hagen, Daughters of Charity.
St. Louis de Maria College of Sorsogon Incorporated and TESDA's continuous development towards excellence. Dr. Belen Domingiano, Ma'am Susan Bangate, Mr. Edward Belesano, and the graduating class in Cookery, NC2, and Computer System Servicing NC2. Good morning!
Good morning!
I couldn't help but smile because I could imagine, kanina if Ma'am Susan was dreaming, ako I am imagining that very soon, it's not only St. Louis, yes, we are developing every day towards excellence, but Sorsogon, for that matter, is developing very, very speedily with you. Why? Because today, we will be adding 25 cooks, master cooks, and then 25 or 19 siguro of computer system servicing masters. Grabe naman yan. So if the progress is that much, that speed, then very soon, Sorsogon City will be developing so much and so high with you. So from today, from your graduation, I'll be looking forward to your successful 100% passing. So all of you will have your NC2 certificates, both for cookery and computer system servicing. Pwede ko ba yung maasahan?
Yes, ma'am.
Inspiring insights and graceful thoughts. It is truly touches and bless our hearts to keep on striving with the guidance of our Lord. And now, let's take a moment to enjoy a splendid performance. Please put your hands together and welcome Mr. J. Gugulin from Cookery Institute as he entertain us with an intermission number. realizations and improvement throughout our training. And to sum up those hard mentions, let us now proceed of hearing a message from our fellow trainee from Computer System Servicing NC2, Ma'am Grace Escarcha.
Hello po, good morning po everyone sa lahat. After spending almost 1 month po sa English, after almost spending po sa 1 month training po dito sa SLMCS, this is the day para pasalamatan po ang lahat na naging part ng aming training journey. So, thank you so much po sa nais po nating pasalamatan lahat. Of course, ang ating mga naging trainers po, Ma'am Susan, Sir Edward, and
Another inspiring message is from Cookery NC2 trainee, Ma'am Raquel Evangelista.
Thank you, MC, Kian, and Erica. Makakapagpapang po pala na pagtindog dito sa unahan, maski liit lang po kita. But then, I want to tell you guys that this is one of the best experience in my life, in our life, I believe, to be a part of TESDA scholarship program and to be a part of SLMCS. To my teacher and trainer, Ma'am Susan L. Bahane, to our CSS instructor and trainer, Sir Edward Galisano, to my former teacher in high school, Dr. Belen Domingiana, my English teacher, to Ma'am Marlene, and of course, to the president of SLMCS, Ma'am or Sister Felipa Fesi Haven, daughter of Charity, to my fellow graduates, Cookery and CSS, and to all of you who are here today, a pleasant good morning. This is my first time. Grabe, hello mga introduction ko. Kakakumpa talaga, promise guys. Okay, today I am filled with pride and gratitude that I stand here before you as a representative of the Cookery to do the message of gratitude for everyone who are here. Our time in TESDA Cookery is a very short time. Kumbaga sa Bicol, halikuto ng maray na makagibitin. Tama ba? Because at the back of our head, we are wanting more. We wanted more learning to come, so we can earn more after this. Tama, class? So, in 40 days, it's a very short period of time. But in 40 days, I want to tell you that it is such a big thing. Big thing for the Cookery students, because we learned a lot of things. We learned making appetizers, from appetizers up to dessert. And beside that, from the kitchen premises up to the packaging of food. So, madami-dami yun. Andyan yung may matabang, may maaskadon, may mahalangon, bagang apoy pakaon, may mali ang sauce, may masabaw ang gulay sa blue plate, OMG. But then, here we are. We finished the course. We ended it, I want to say, gabos masiramon. Overall, mga masiramon po mampagaan ng namon. That's why, naniwala po ang ako na teacher niya si Ma'am Susan, na kaya ta ipasa ang maabot na assessment ta. Hep, hep! Ayan, diba? We can pass it all. Ayan, may kupi ako ha. Kaya basi na may lang ako. So, dahil na laboratory stage in cooking. Every day we go there, we cook, we ask what we're gonna cook today. And then the ingredients that our teacher provide and bought for us, it serves as the tools so we can be creative and more artistic in the designing of our food presentation. Tama ba? So it's a big thing for us na maging part ng cookery ng TESDA at ng SLMCS. To the SLMCS and to the TESDA office, we would like to thank you so much for giving us this privilege to be a part of this school. We are truly grateful for this opportunity and privilege. This will stay and forever hold a special place in our hearts for the cookery and for the CSS. And before I close my short message pa lang po ha. So, I want also to thank all my classmates in cookery for sharing the laughter, no tears. Diba? For sharing and building the friendship. Diba? We built our friendship together even it's just a short period of time. And most especially for sharing our prepared dishes and sharoning it after. Diba? So all of those things, it's truly special and it will remain in our hearts. So from the cookery class, I would like to say thank you to everyone who have been a part of this, and congratulations and happy culminating activity to us. Good morning.
CSS students, namely Ma'am Helma Hugnat and Sir Nestor Diuna. So let's give them a round of applause. Sister Maria Felipa Fesi Haven, Daughters of Charity, Dr. Belen L. Dubingiano, and Miss Maria Marlene Malate, along with our trainers, to be on the stage to do the honor in distributing the certificates. Allow me to read the citation. Technical Education and Skills Development Authority and St. Louis de Marla College of Sorsogon Incorporated present this certificate of training to TESDA Training for Work Scholarship Program TWSP for Cookery NC2. Given this day of April 24 at St. Louis de Marla College of Sorsogon Incorporated, signed by Mrs. Jesusa L. Bangate, Cookery Trainer. Alanis Idilan A. Ayo. Dana D. Derla. Ella D. Diaz.
kayo mag-alala, IT ito. Nandiyan si AI. Okay, so to our dear scholars and esteemed guests, as we come to the end of this remarkable journey, I want to express my deepest gratitude to each and everyone, to our training institution, SLMCS and TESDA, for providing you all with this invaluable opportunity. This scholarship has not only financed your education, but it has also opened doors to countless possibilities and enrich your lives and equip all of you with the skills necessary to succeed in your chosen fields. Okay? So the knowledge and experience shared by your trainers that you gain through this program are priceless. You've been given the tools to make a difference, to contribute to your communities, and to improve your lives and those around you. As you step into the future, remember the lesson you've learned, the friendships that you make, and the challenges you've overcome. Sabi ko niyo nga, nakatulong sa inyo yung pagsigaw sa inyo, ano? Pag hindi nakikinig, ano? Okay, so let's share our experience as we continue to strive for excellence and make positive impact on our society. So thank you for being in us and for investing in your future. We promise to make the most of the opportunity and to honor faith you place in us. First, the future filled with success, growth, and endless possibilities.
To success. If you love what you're doing, you will be successful. Thank you and God bless.